Have you ever wished you could enjoy a warm, soft bagel without all the carbs? Today I'm sharing one of my favorite healthy recipes, these Keto Cottage Cheese Bagels. They're soft, chewy, packed with protein, naturally gluten-free, and incredibly easy to make. Whether you're following a keto lifestyle, managing diabetes, or simply trying to eat healthier, these bagels are a delicious option you'll want to make again and again. Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup cottage cheese, 2 large eggs, 1 cup finely ground almond flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Everything bagel seasoning, optional. Step 1. Prepare the cottage cheese. First, place the cottage cheese into a blender or food processor. Blend until it's completely smooth. This creates a creamy texture that helps give the bagels a soft and fluffy crumb. Step 2. Mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs. Add the blended cottage cheese and mix well. Now add almond flour, baking powder, apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, salt. Mix everything together until you have a thick, smooth batter. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes so the almond flour can absorb some moisture. Step 3. Shape the bagels. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Lightly wet your hands or use a spoon to divide the batter into equal portions. Shape each portion into a bagel by forming a circle with a hole in the center. Don't worry if they aren't perfect, they'll still bake beautifully. Step 4. Add the topping. If you love classic bagels, sprinkle everything bagel seasoning over the top. You can also use sesame seeds, poppy seeds, shredded cheese, or leave them plain. Step 5. Bake. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the tops become beautifully golden brown. If you'd like an even crispier crust, broil for the last 1 to 2 minutes, watching carefully so they don't burn. Remove from the oven and allow them to cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. Look at that! Soft on the inside, golden on the outside. These bagels have an amazing chewy texture and are delicious fresh from the oven. Spread them with cream cheese, avocado, butter, or use them for breakfast sandwiches. They're also great toasted the next day. Why you'll love these bagels. These bagels are high in protein, low in carbohydrates, gluten-free, keto-friendly, diabetic-friendly, perfect for meal prep. Because they're made with almond flour and cottage cheese, they provide more protein and fewer carbs than traditional bagels, making them a satisfying breakfast or snack. Storage tips. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. You can also freeze them for up to 2 months. Simply toast them whenever you're ready to enjoy one. If you enjoyed today's healthy recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Eat Clean Daily, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next healthy recipe. Optional tips for better results. Use full-fat cottage cheese for the best texture. Finely ground almond flour works much better than almond meal. Let the bagels cool before slicing so they hold together. Add shredded mozzarella or cheddar for an extra cheesy version.